Yeah. Rasta no buy, Rasta no gamble, or Rasta no vote. You understand? Because them they are ungodliness here. And Rasta not stoop so low not it. And I prefer live on the stone hole to rascal and wear crocus bag. God no. Before I stoop so low. Yes, Naya. So
Didn't Peanut Dread say man a Rasta? Him a just a regular man just like me and you. Eh? And Haile Selassie. I don't know, real this and real that. And him born Rasta is him. So him a chat about Rasta. No. You see we Dread confused. Anyways, tonight is a short videos. Cause why? We bounty killer say. Look into my eyes. Then red. Tired. Want to sleep. But guess what? Consistency is the key to success. Not hard work. Lie them a tell. Moving forward.
Do that. I want to complain the people them.
Why Uno do it?
Why
Remember Uno are the big top man them up there. Uno do it. A regular me see it happen. Me see it happening all in my
town. Really understand what me talking?
Oh, you mean if me understand
so
what
you keep on a twist up yourself like that?
Twist up with self. But you can't point no finger upon me. Remember poor people they cut Jesus slippers, you know.
Who got
I know
people?
my people.
Who got
them.
people?
Oh no.
And
which
people that?
Now wicked people them cut Jesus slippers.
What race of people?
I see them race of people, them white race them.
Me don't know about that.
Oh, you mean
Me don't know about it. And like you talk something where you hear a roadside people sit down and discuss.
Well, one time.
Take care of it.
Johnny say Barakat hear that from people on a roadside. We sit down and a chat. But why is it Barakat referring Johnny to as few new people and then say white people? So wait. Johnny White. Alright, white Johnny. I guess Johnny's they wanna call him Oreo. You see Oreo have the white inside but in black outside, yeah. So I guess Johnny behave white but because his outside is black. Anyways, we move forward.
God tell me say him and him little brother live on the block. Yeah. So, you know, him a big guy 3 card man, but him little brother is smaller one, you know. God same fine say sugar missing off nothing out a pan. Time make tea this morning him mark sugar, you know. Same fine say that our sugar move down so fast. Him don't know what happen if pan a leak or what, you know. Him say, you know what? We are going go all and relax in the house and lock your eye tight. Yeah, make it look like so early God asleep. Yeah man, you don't know say master me him come round.
nice smaller 3 card man.
Remember good no man, smaller 3 card man forward in, you know. So wait to look like the bigger 3 card man get way in asleep.
Yep.
He want to go visit the sugar pan. So him say you don't know what I go on. I'm go check that 3 card man if I'm asleep.
Listen, a joke not even start get sweet yet. Somebody run at the back or front or side or up or down. I don't know. They can't stop laugh. They laugh so like a sneeze. That's why me I laugh. But anyways, the joke is coming.
Yes man, lie down pan back, stiff out, yeah, lock tight. And boss snore like, you know.
Old cargo dinner.
All a 3 card man, tiptoe go up and shadow over, yeah, you know. So man, now move a blood clot, you know, cause you asleep dead. Yes, him look back pan table where sugar pan there.
Yeah.
And make one of the back step. Step to sugar pan.
Yes.
And pull this and full mouth. So, who buy him for do so and step so to the doorway.
Yeah.
Get a blood clot box on the side there, you know.
Sugar green must fly out my mouth like it. Like a sun green, brother.
Say sugar green scatter all over.
One place, you know.
Listen to me, man. Listen to me. Barakat. Do better than that. Oh, you laugh out the joke, star. You laugh out the joke, brother. Man, you cannot give a joke and a laugh out the joke, man. but he get a hard left foot, left hand box. Po! Twist jaw so. You know? Po! Poo! Sugar gonna north and him mouth gonna south. Alright. Me tell you say it's a short video tonight, you know. Me not too chat it up. Me might chat half of the video. Peanut Jed! Close off the night for me now, my friend.
Who is blood clot you? You go tell me about if you no imply me and give me a payday, me a go suffer. You! You're lying. You're fucking lying. I brag, because I hurt there. I hurt the whole of we have to survive by. Right? So who is you? We are going to tell me say if you don't attention me and imply me and give me payday. You imply your fucking pick me and your wife, yeah? 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 I learned that. Yeah?
The other day, me post a video. Peanut Jedi sing. I think the video was 5 minutes in length. Nobody would no cuss. This video is 30 seconds in length. And a 5 bad word cuss.
Every human being have a time of year and nothing.
Yeah.
Remember, if you plan certain time, you're not getting nothing. Yeah? If you go, they go look work certain time, you're not getting no work. If you go, they go say, look woman, certain time, you not get woman. No, because you have a time of year when woman call just like animal. You see? Yes, sir. And that's something to say. You can't go just look woman anytime.
And that's
right?
work.
No, because them not in the mood. If you know the month and the time when woman call, you see, bumbo clad, you get too easy. Yes, man. If surrender quick, can't swell, your grass clot, your rice, you want that.
Anyways, hope you like the video. It's a mixture of 3 of my favorite characters them online. Peanut, Jed, Badacat, and Johnny Be Good tonight. Boy, behave yourself. Yeah, so if you don't like the video, just like the video, man. Subscribe, click the notification bell, share with your friends and family and your ex, and leave a comment in the comment section. Yeah, some good videos coming up this week. I'm gonna react to Drizzy Burke video featuring Badacat, Johnny, and Danny. Yeah, that is funny. We have a Ninja Man video coming up this week, so stay tuned. We have a next Peanut Dread video coming up and many others. And just want to let you guys know that I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. We almost reach a year now, you know? Well, we have a couple more months. I think September is a year. But thanks for always watching with your 28,500 subscribers. We appreciate every one of you guys. We just wish YouTube would just help promote the channel. But they ain't doing that, so that's why I ask you guys to like and share the video. And I have a very interesting video. It's educational. And stay tuned for that as well. We're gonna mix up look of fun and education while, you know, yeah. So, anyways, me a ramble. Stay safe. God bless.